Hi, this is Nell with Joyous Garden, and today I'm going to tell you how to transplant a bromeliad. I love bromeliads. I grow them in my garden. And as a matter of fact, there's a Hebe that's died, which I'm sad it's died, but I'm kind of glad because now I get to get more. And this is a time that the skunks and raccoons have started to dig up, so I get to get more. And when I plant them in my garden, I leave them in the pot. I don't know if you can see. See, here's the pot. I cut the rim off because they really like good drainage and they don't like to be too wet, and this protects them from that. So for me, when I transplant this in the garden, it's easy because it's in the pot and I just put it in a new hole. But for you, you might be growing it as an interior plant because a lot of climates, it's way too cold to have them outdoors. So what you would do is, first of all, make sure that your bromeliad needs to be transplanted because they like to be tight. So if it does need transplanting, only take it up a pot size. So if it's in a 4-inch pot, take it up to a 5-inch pot. Don't give it a huge pot because it doesn't like a lot of room. It's sort of like a Cymbidium orchid in that respect. And then you just take it out of the pot like that. And you can use either a specific bromeliad mix. There are mixes to plant bromeliads in, or you can use something like an orchid mix to put it in. And then you put it in the pot, and you want to leave the crown up a bit. You don't want to put a lot of soil on the crown. And then you would just lightly moisten it on the top, or you might give it one good drink, and that's it, because they only like a little water on the top and in their cups. As you can see, I keep water in the cups here. And that's how you transplant a bromeliad. They're really easy and really tough. This is Nell with a Joyous Garden, and I've just told you how to transplant a bromeliad.